Welcome to the Caribou Data Science Channel. The evening is evening of August, September 5th, 2020. Before we get started, I'd really appreciate it. I mean, it'd mean a lot to me if you would click on the red button down the bottom right hand corner and subscribe. And also, if you'd actually invite one of your friends this week to subscribe, to join in the fun and subscribe to the Caribou Data Science Channel. And what I'm going to do this evening, I'm going to give you a quick walk of a really good data visualization app called Plotly. Now, Plotly is either available as libraries for R and Python, or it's available through an SQL client called Falcon SQL client, which I'm going to show you this evening. Or you can also do it directly on their website. They have a dashboard on the website, plotly.com. Okay, so we're just going to work with the. Now, while I'm using an SQLite library, you can pretty much use any database you want to. You can even use a CVS file. But I'm just going to use the. Okay. Okay. We'll be working with the New York Times daily state database. The database itself is actually a cumulative total, but I have a code that actually breaks out into daily numbers. So new case, new deaths are the daily cases and deaths by day for each state. Okay. Now let's start over here. All right. Now you can see here where I actually uh, you will actually we actually demonstrate how to use a CVS file. It's basically the same, except what this evening I'm going to show you how to use an SQLite file. I'm going to connect. You can say edit credentials. It's just the path and name of my database. I'm going to connect. Then just come to query. Okay, and here's all your tables on that database. We're going to be using the states database, states daily. So I'm going to need make an interest. I'm actually going to choose two states. We'll choose a date. Deaths from States Daily, where state is going to be the okay, IND in Indiana, because Indiana is actually fairly close. High Indiana, cases and deaths. Okay, so we start with a basic chart and cases. So this will be the combined cases for Ohio and Indiana. Why there's so much volatility here? Okay, okay. This is the volatility for both. What we really want is we want and of course you got the title. Let's see. So we go say 19 daily cases for Ohio and Ohio. Let's see. Let's see something here. confirmed. Okay, and notice these charts are interactive, so we can zoom in, come down here, and say, well, on August 19th there was 958 cases that day. All right, click the double X, click the X to zoom back out. You can save it. Obviously, it's not going to be. Okay, this is pretty good, but this what we actually want to see is, so now we created the basic part, but what you really want to see, we really want to see cases and deaths split out by state for Ohio and Indiana. So you come down to transform, do a transform split by state. And now we have uh, COVID-19 cases by day split out for Ohio and Indiana. Ohio, of course, appears to be, Ohio and Indiana appear to be following sort of the same trend. Ohio has more cases consistently than Indiana. Okay, so now let's take a look at traces. Let's take a look at deaths and see it's already updated. Spike in April. Look at this. It actually, when you're actually on a line, okay, horizontal vertical line, it actually draws a little square for you there. Very nice. Okay. So you can see once again, Ohio is still ahead of Indiana. Zoom in a little bit. Ohio is clearly ahead of Indiana, which isn't good. But so there you can see some the real power of even a simple plot, Falcon SQL client plot. Um, I almost forgot to show you actually how to find the tool. So we just say Falcon SQL client download. Falcon SQL client. Set up Falcon SQL client. Set up Falcon on personal computer. Download the app. Click on Windows or Mac. Whatever reason it doesn't appear to work on Linux, but that's all right. But again, it's a really powerful tool if you need a plot quick and you're not doing a lot with the data. Okay. Well, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'd appreciate it if you would give me a share, a like, and also click the red S button at the bottom right hand corner, subscribe to the Cable Data Science channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. We'll see you later.